So CCPची
इतलो वेळ कित्याक जाता की CCPची इलेक्शनाची हे करपा लिस्ट?
No, see, there is a process the party basically follows. We have been going through this process for the past 15 days with the Honorable Chief Minister and the party president. And basically applications of the applicant basically has been basically scrutinized. Still now what is one final list will come only the day once the withdrawal comes, that will be the final list. So still the process is basically is on. We will be basically, I think, filing nomination on Friday.
So here there will be new faces, 50% total.
See, the process is still going on. That's the reason what I'm trying to say. Until the end of the day of the withdrawal of the decision, till then we will come to know who is basically last, who will be the whose name will be there in the list.
So अध्यक्षांना 50% न्यू फेसेस दिसतले म्हणून. सो तुम्ही अग्री आहात तेजेर?
See, party decides. I am obeying here as the dictates of the party. We are all together into this.
पूण आता कितले लिस्ट पूण फायनल जाली?
But the list, see, there were prospective candidates who had come today basically to meet the president. This process has been going on for the past 15 days with the Honorable Chief Minister and the party president. The process is still on. The process will be will be finalized most probably on Friday as far as the nominations are concerned. Still changes can take place in between nomination and the final day.
We heard that old BJP leaders and you have like some conflict because of this.
So there is no conflict with anyone. BJP works as a party. We are all together.
So ते तुमका
See, this is a democracy. In democracy, everyone has got a right to feel this thing. And it is now, as far as Mr. Utpal Parikar is concerned, this is not new. Last time also he had floated his pen. So this time also he must be floating his pen. So there is nothing. No, it is see, we have worked for the past 5 years. It is basically for the people to decide. And I am, this time what happened, we are seeking work on the performance of these 5 years of the CCP. No, I don't know what he is campaigning that. You can ask him. No, why are you asking me?
Minister, any impact will be there due to the smart city?
No, see, as far as smart city, as I have told you, what I had said last time, I think I said to see the rainbow, you got to bear with a little bit of rain. So now at least the rain has stopped and the city basically has changed. The people whoever were talking against as far as the works of the start city, I understand people has suffered. People's business also has suffered. I apologize and I'm sorry for what the suffering that they have gone through. But to get something better, you basically have got to bear with a little bit of it.